Hi, I'm Steve from Eightfold Property, and I'll be talking about the importance of troubleshooting problems in your home. There are three main benefits to troubleshooting in your home before uploading to Fixflow. Number one is that you might be able to resolve the issue yourself with some help from us. Number two is if we do end up having to send a contractor, we have all the necessary information for them to help. And number three is by doing this, you'll likely improve your relationship with your landlord because it will result in a reduced number of call-out fees to the property. When something goes wrong or isn't how it should be, it's easy to upload it to Fixflow, and it should be. That line of communication is vital. But what we see all too frequently is a lack of information necessary to resolve the issue. A common example is if a light bulb has stopped working at the property. As a tenant, you're responsible for changing it. This step is important because you get the opportunity to resolve the issue or to see if there's a problem with the electrics. This way, when you upload the issue on Fixflow, we can see that you've taken the necessary steps to narrow down what the issue is. This same train of thought can also apply to boiler pressure, mold, and some appliances. Once you've taken these steps, we'll have more information to provide to any given contractor that needs to come out to the property. Having said all this, we don't expect you to be able to solve every issue in your house, but by providing the necessary information, it helps us to do our job. If you run into any issues at your property that you can't solve, please feel free to get in touch and we'll do what we can to help. This is Steve from Eightfold Property. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.